Alright, this is me, day 1.
Sure ball.
Parang nanalo na ng MVP tsaka championship eh.
Okay. Eastern Conference Finals.
We were in Malaysia when someone called from Kong na may laro daw ulit ng Star Magic. Sa pagkakatanda ko, we are on our way home nun. Noong ginawa namin yung vlog na to, ito yon. Well, ang alam ko din, may vlog kami nun sa camera ni Kong at umuo siya at the same time. Doon ako nagka-idea na what if pilitin kong mahalin ang sports na mahal ko kahit di ako mahal. Di naman siguro masama kung subukan ko, no? Way back in Mandaluyong, mahal ko na ang sports na to because of my dad who introduced me into this sport. Nasa transition na kami ng mga friends ko nun from Trumpo, Tex, Holland, to Bola, then bigla kaming lumipat ng bahay niya. Fast forward to now, never akong natuto, just so you know. I was thinking that time paano ako matututo mag-basketball. Then, an ad came to my FYP. I contacted them right there and then. Biglang kinumagahan, andito na ako. Alright, this is me, day 1 of practicing basketball before the Star Magic basketball game again. May laro daw ulit, so let's go. This is me vlogging about it para naman di na masyadong nakakaya sa court.
Gusto ko lang makita yung skills mo, tapos gusto ko makita mag-improve ka syempre. I-video natin yung pinaka-alam mong galaw, tapos sabihin natin after 10 or 5th session, ko-compare natin yung galaw mo.
Sige.
Doon natin makikita talaga.
Kasama ko ngayon si Coach D ng True Focus, tama ba,
Yeah,
Coach?
True
True
Focus.
Focus. Ayun, nakita ko lang kasi sa Instagram, sabi ko, parang masarap mambalya ng legal ah. Joke lang.
Nakikita ko yung mga bumps.
Oh, yung mga ganon. Coach, may isa lang ako ilin sa'yo, Coach. I need your patience.
Oh, wala problema. Sanay ako dyan.
Actually, shout out to True Focus Basketball. Day 1 pa lang, hirap na sila. Let's go. Then day 2, dito na ako sa court. Kasama ko ngayon si Coach Mikey kasi nag-resign kagad si Coach D eh. Nag-resign sa akin si Coach D. Coach B ko, yan o. From True Focus, yung suot niya, True Focus.
Sa mga True Focus family natin dyan.
Well, yun. Coach Miko, day 2. Ito, namutla ulit ako. Tigil na naman ulit ako. Kulang ulit sa cardio pa ulit. Kaya maraming salamat kay Coach Miko.
No problem.
Tingnan dito na naman, putol na naman yung drills. Di ko na naman natapos. Kailangan ko pa mag-cardio. Di lang nakita sa video, pero namutla na naman ako. Oh my God. It's not easy kasi di tulad nung nagkaroon kami ng fitness challenge, fully pagpapaganda or toning ng muscle ang ginagawa namin. Walang cardio. Kaya, Coach Miko pa din, ng True Focus Basketball. Yan.
Yung assistant ni Coach.
Hindi ka pwede maging assistant. Sobrang pagpapahirap ang gagawin mo sa akin. Kaya inaalagaan ako. Hindi kailangan pahirapan para gumaling.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo.
Coach, resign na ako.
Ayun na to.
Pinakamahinahin sa mga right-handed eh. So, use 1-2 pocket. 1-2 pocket.
Sino yung magandang kalaban?
Si Coach Jolo, yung pinaka-leader namin.
Oo! Joke lang. Coach Jolo, di pa kita mimit, pero joke lang po yun.
Pero atakihin kita.
Joke lang po yun. Wow! Master yun eh.
Master ba yan?
Ano si Coach D?
Coach D, ano yan? Master 2. At first, I thought it's gonna be easy as 1, 2, 3. Ang sport nga pala na to ay may requirements ng explosiveness. Or different pacing. From slow to fast, to faster, to fastest. From hingal to another hingal pa.
So, same.
Sa mga di nakakaalam, the time it takes to learn basketball is highly individualized. It could range from few months to several years, depending on your goals and commitment. The journey involves mastering the basics, conditioning your body, understanding the mental aspects of the game, working on teamwork, acquiring advanced skills, and constantly learning from your experiences. But one thing is certain, with passion, perseverance, and regular practice, you'll steadily progress and find the joy that comes with truly knowing and loving the game of basketball. Actually, binasa ko lang yan dito. Dito sa ourballsports.com archives. So for me, everything here is bago. From shooting form, from driving to doing layups. Though, I play before pero parang wala lang naman yun eh. At first, parang walang nangyayari. But then... If you're really trying, no, talagang may patutunguhan. But this game requires not just healthy and strong body, but also consistency. Day 10 ng aking journey sa pagbabasketball. Of course, shoutout pa din sa True Focus Basketball and special shoutout to Coach Miko Hidalgo. But this time, wala tayong pagbabasketball ngayon pero mag-gym tayo kasi kailangan ng katawan natin ng strength and conditioning. At ang sasagot dito ay itong gym na to. Ayan. Fitness. Yan. Kailangan ko ng strength and conditioning. Of course, kasama ko ang nag-iisang strength and conditioner, Coach Byron. Malaki yan. Ayan o. Laki ng katawan niya. So, kailangan ko ng strength and conditioning. Sabi ni Coach siya daw magko-coach sa akin kasi siya yung pinakamalakas daw dito sa It's Fitness. Ay, di ba? Hindi malakas? Sobrang lakas? Hindi. Di rin? Oh, humble. Humble yan. Between these days, I'm having a hard time to be consistent. Well, ganun talaga eh. Because we are humans and prone to mistakes. This journey made me get onto my feet every morning na parang naging part na siya ng regular routine ko. I went to gym for strength and conditioning, not just basketball. Kasi, para saan nga naman ang lahat ng to kung wala akong conditioning? Para kang pumunta sa gera na may dalang baril, pero di mo alam ikasa. Big shoutout to It's Fitness Innovation. Balik ako dyan in a while. What puta? Ah! Ah! I hate myself. Mas lumalapit ang game, mas nagiging mahirap. Of course, yung training. Naghahalo-halo ang excitement, frustration, disappointments, exhaustion, yung saya, lungkot, basta ganun yung feeling. And just as I thought that I'm getting there comes another frustration again. Frustration. Frustration. Frustration.
And just like that, things are getting real na. Bukas na ang aming unbelievable basketball with Star Magic. And hopefully, magawa ko yung dapat kong gawin, which is dapat maipanalo ang team at hindi sila pahirapan. Yun naman yung goal ng ating pag-iensayo. And ayun. At ngayon, umaga na. Yan. Kami magbe-breakfast na ngayon dahil kahit paano matalo man kami, at least nakapag-breakfast kami. Pero mukhang mananalo kami dahil kasama namin si Chris Lagudas. Gago, tropa ko to. Ngayong araw na to, tropa ko to. Maganda yung angle. Parang kasi
The big day came and here we are now. How come na to this point, I am already thinking the pressure of not become a pabigat to my team? Siguro, dahil nag-train ako. Siguro yun nga yun. May kaba kasi alam mong lahat gustong manalo. Then the clock ticks from first.
Okay, peacefully, good pass. That's 3 or 4 offensive rebounds coach and sa hustle siguro dapat mag-adjust yung shooting stars.
To second.
Ashton. Oh, good pass.
Good pass. And one play. Donnie Pangilinan. Good find by River to Donnie for a 3-point play.
Third.
Very energetic mix. Grabe. Both ends of the floor at dyan siya.
Then fourth.
Here we go. Mahabol dito. Unbelievable. Mike. Man down.